Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. HealthifyMe is hiring for Junior Payroll Specialist. Job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka, and it's a hybrid job. Let us get to know about the job. Responsible for salary processing including all statutory deductions. Responsible to perform all pre-calculations, bi-weekly, monthly, OT, maternity calculations, statutory deductions, contributions, etc. Responsible for checking, reviewing monthly payroll working, ensure timely deliverables. Responsible to process all ad hoc payments with all necessary approvals in timely manner, tracking for necessary adjustments in following month payroll. Responsible for recovering all overpayments in timely manner, keep track of them. Responsible for tracking, handling, coordinating inputs with various stakeholders based across the globe, coordination with payroll vendors in host country, handle payroll queries, stakeholder queries, exit employee queries in effective timely manner through designed mailboxes, ensure 100% accuracy timely deliverables of payroll, tax query, paycheck calculation query, handling time responses through help desk, ensuring the completeness of all payroll control participations in timely audits, preparation of department-wise salary report, preparation of strength report, preparation of attrition report, PF, ESIC, PT and MLW challan generation, PF UAN generation and activation, TDS on salaries based on actual deduction and proof of investment, etc. Now, preferred skills for this job role are strong interpersonal communication and presentation skills, inclination towards cautioning and improving existing processes, ability to prioritize. We are consistently working on multiple projects at any given time. So we are looking for someone who is comfortable working in an ambiguous environment. Individual must be able to operate independently and must have a go-getter attitude. Let's get to know about HealthifyMe. HealthifyMe is India's #1 and Asia's most loved health and fitness app. Loved and trusted by more than 35 million users. We are constantly innovating to create lasting behavior change that help our users achieve sustainable and long-lasting results. Our flagship coaching model, led by expert nutritionists and fitness trainers, has helped users across the globe achieve their health and fitness goals, including weight loss and managing medical conditions. With the power of personalized nutrition and fitness guidance, advanced tracking tools, AI technology, and cutting-edge health innovations, we are making strides towards our mission, healthifying a billion. HealthifyMe is on a constant lookout for individuals with a similar vision to shape the health and fitness space. If you are one of them, write to us at careers@healthifyme.com. To know more about HealthifyMe, visit our website and see how we are empowering individuals to take control of their fitness journeys to become the best version of themselves. Join the HealthifyMe community today and be a part of future of fitness. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button and then fill the application form and submit it. Secondly, write an email to this email ID careers@healthifyme.com. If you will apply from both the methods, there are high chances of selection. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.